In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital microscopes available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital microscopes list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital microscopes mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, TOMLOV TM3K 3D Max Digital Microscope. The TOMLOV TM3K 3D Max is a premium 10-inch digital soldering microscope with an impressive 2000x magnification and magnetic dual-lens system. Designed for professionals, it delivers crisp 3K video for detailed inspection work, making it perfect for electronics, PCB repair, and coin collectors. Its flexible arm and repair mat allow for stable and adjustable positioning, while the aluminum alloy build ensures durability. With high-definition imaging, portable design, and included battery, it offers unmatched convenience for precision tasks. Number 4, Elikliv EM4K AF4K Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K AF is a high-end 4K autofocus digital microscope ideal for electronics repair, soldering, and coin inspection. Boasting up to 2000x magnification, it features an 8-inch coin amplifier and a 10 stand for optimal viewing. Its 178 degrees wide-angle lens, 64 GB memory card, and compatibility with laptops and TVs make it highly versatile. The autofocus ensures fast, sharp imaging, while HDMI output delivers stunning visuals. With a robust metal build and ergonomic design, it's perfect for professional and hobbyist use. Number 3, ZONGMAI C011606H4K Digital Microscope. The ZONGMAI C011606H combines industrial-grade durability with advanced imaging, offering 1080p to 4K video output for soldering, PCB inspection, and phone repair. Equipped with a 1/2.8-inch Sony sensor, it provides crystal-clear images and up to 48MP still resolution. The HDMI and Type-C outputs ensure flexible connectivity, while features like auto/manual exposure, white balance, and cross-center lines give full control over image quality. Its adjustable magnification, 10x, 150x, and long working distance make it a reliable tool for precision work. Number 2, Andonstar AD246SM Plus Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM Plus offers UHD 2160p resolution with a powerful 2000x magnification for detailed PCB and SMD soldering work. Its trinocular design supports HDMI, PC, and standalone use with a crisp 7-inch display. Capable of high-speed 120 frames per second frame rates, it ensures smooth video even in challenging lighting. The 12MP photo resolution captures intricate details, making it ideal for electronics repair, quality control, and educational purposes. Durable and versatile, it's built for both professional labs and tech enthusiasts. Number 1, RIEVBCAU DM12 HDMI Digital Microscope. The RIEVBCAU DM12 features a large 10.1-inch display and up to 2000x magnification, making it perfect for electronics, PCB work, and coin examination. With 20MP resolution and 10 adjustable LEDs, it delivers sharp, bright images in any lighting condition. Its HDMI connectivity enables easy external display, while the portable, high-definition design makes it versatile for both professional and hobbyist use. Built from sturdy metal and CE/FCC certified, it offers exceptional reliability for precision tasks and inspections.